Hello there, welcome back to another exciting tutorial here on the Genius Studios Lab. I am Derek Keels, your host, and today we're going to be going over something I like to call the burning lower third because it looks like a lower third that's on fire. And the exciting thing about this After Effects tutorial is that all you need is After Effects to do this. You don't need any special plugins, you don't need to download anything from the web from somewhere else. You can simply do this all with After Effects. And so if you have the program, you can make this happen. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and make this happen. First thing I'm going to do is go to composition and new. My composition is going to be 1280 by 720, 29.97 frames per second. My duration is going to be 10 seconds. Background color is going to be black. And I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now that I have my composition open, I can just go to my rectangle tool and make a rectangle the size of the lower third I'm looking for. And so that looks about good. And now with that made, doesn't matter what color it is because we're going to add what's called a ramp. So I'm going to go to my effects menu here and go to generate and come down to ramp. And so what that does is it adds a ramp, or basically a gradient. And when you do that, you get these little circles here that you can move and adjust what your ramp actually looks like. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to adjust the white color, change the white color to a bright orange. Since we are making a burning lower third, we want things to kind of look fiery. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK there. And the next thing I'm going to do is add another effect, which is the roughen edges effect. So I'm going to just type in roughen edges here in my effects and presets window. And I'm just going to click and drag the roughen edges effect onto my rectangle there. And so that's good. I'm going to come over here where it says edge type, and I'm going to go to roughen color. And then that's going to give me the ability to change the edge color. I'm going to change the edge color also to a really, really bright orange. Excellent. And for my border, I'm actually going to keyframe it. So I'm going to make sure that my current time indicator is set to 0. And then I'm going to bring my border up to 500, and I'm going to click the stopwatch, and then at 1 second and 15 frames I'm going to set this to 30. And so essentially what that does is it brings my lower third in, and it looks like this, it's coming in by fire or something like that. So that's kind of cool. Next thing we're going to do is adjust the edge sharpness, because these edges look just a little sharp to me. So I'm going to bring it down to 0.4 so that they're not as sharp. Excellent. Last thing I need to do is adjust the evolution, or keyframe the evolution rather. So I'm going to click the stopwatch with my current time indicator set to 0. I'm going to click the stopwatch, and then I'm going to take my current time indicator all the way down to the 10-second mark, or the end of my comp, and then just hit 2. And so now we have a lower third that comes in like a burning fiery blaze, and you see this evolution that takes place. It looks like it's actually, burning or on fire. So that's pretty cool there. And the next thing I'm going to do is just add some text now. So we're going to go to my text tool. I'm going to type in your text goes here. Excellent. I'm going to just go ahead and bring it down like so. And I'm going to add the roughen edges effects to this as well. Great. I'm going to change the edge type to roughen color, change the color to a nice bright orange, just like we did with our other. And I'm going to keyframe the border. And so I'm going to bring the border all the way up here so that we cannot see it. And I'm going to hit the stopwatch with my current time indicator set to 0. And then I'm going to bring it up to 2 seconds. And then I'm just going to bring this in at maybe, 4. Excellent. And so now you have your words that come in and your lower third that comes in looking like some sort of blazing fire. All right. Next thing we're going to need to do is one more little adjustment to the words. Is I'm going to add evolution to the words so that the words look like they're burning just a little bit. So I'm going to click on the stopwatch for the evolution, and I'm going to go all the way down to the end, and I'm going to hit 2 for the evolution. And so now essentially what we have is we have words that are going to come on. We have the lower third that is going to come on, and everything's going to look like it's burning, and it's all done simply with this, simply with using nothing more than the effects found in After Effects itself. And as you can see, the evolution is taking place. The words look like it's burning, the lower third looks like it's burning, and that's it. So I hope you really enjoyed it. I am once again including the project file just below the like button on this video. If you've liked this video, if you've enjoyed it rather, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, and that would really help me out. Anyway, that's it for now. I will see you on the next tutorial.